Okay, what the heck is this?
Warning in effect until 4:30 a.m. Sunday. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected.
Okay.
Where? A portion of central Pennsylvania, including the following county: Berks. When?
Oh, that's
until
Berks.
4:30 a.m. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring.
Okay then.
Additional details at 11:27 p.m. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. For Manatawny Creek at Spangville, at 11:15 p.m. the stage was 591 feet. Flood stage is 6 feet. http://www.weather.gov/ safety/ flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Strange, this thing didn't go off.
A soaking rain will persist into this
Okay,
evening
Mount Holly,
before
thanks. That was
tapering off
honestly
later
unexpected.
tonight. As colder air starts to pour in late tonight
All right,
and early
then.
Sunday, snow showers will develop.